Hi there, today I wanted to share a Christmas counting choo-choo train craft. If you'd like to make this too, you'll need construction paper, scissors, a glue stick, Christmas stickers, and any other embellishments. You can also use pieces from Christmas scrapbook paper. First, you'll need a long piece of construction paper like this, or tape two regular sized pieces together. Using a black crayon, draw a train track. I used Google as the template for the train and then traced and cut that out. You'll need one engine and 4 cars. Put a number on each of the cars from 1 to 4. Once your child is happy with where their cars are placed, then they can glue them on. I cut out 3 gray circles for the engine's wheels. And 2 black circles for each of the car's wheels. I used white paper to make little steam clouds. Now have your child count out each item they'd like to place in the cars. Now glue everything in place and add any other embellishments. Thanks for watching. I hope you like our Christmas counting train and try it with your little ones. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.